Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a 360 lace front wig without using a 360 lace front. I know a 360 lace front wig can be very expensive, so in today's video is just like a hack for those people who can't afford it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm alone, I'm a broken heart. So what you need is a lace front. I bought this lace front from River Road at 2500 shillings, that is $25. You can get this lace front from Amazon, from AliExpress at cheaper price or wholesale price. Mine is 13 inches by 4 inches. So I'm going to cut it into 4 as I've marked 1 inch, 1 inch, and then 2 inches. I'm tired of the pain. So before you cut it, make sure you part it so that you don't cut the hair. I fell where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking. So after you cut them, you're going to have 3 pieces. The first part, it's going to be your frontal, and then the middle part is going to go like from ear to ear at the back, and then the last piece is going to be like at the parting area on top, like at the closure area. It's going to act like your closure. I'm going to pin down my frontal and then just sew it. I've actually shared some few videos on how to make a closure wig or a lace front wig, so I'm just using like the same method. So this tutorial is just for those people who can't afford a 360 lace front wig, or for those people who can't just like afford expensive wig, because I've seen on my previous videos most of you say that some wigs are very expensive. So you can just do this, buy a lace front and then cut it into 3 and make your own wig, because it's going to be like a 360 lace front wig. I'm done sewing the frontal, and then I'm going to sew this part at the back, the middle part of the frontal at the back.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a light.
So for this last part, we're going to stitch it at the middle so that it acts like our parting area.
We must merely make a start.
So before you stitch it, you're going to cut the tip of this closure, because as you can see it's very narrow, and then you're going to sew it down.
We'll never be alone, Savannah, the beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah.
So I'm going to sew it the same way I just sew my closures. I'm done sewing, guys, and as you can see, it looks like a closure. My closure was not long enough. I saw like a 3/4 of the cup, but then I'm going to fill this other space with weave.
For the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
So after stitching your hair like this, you can split your hair into 2 sections and just create like a double bun.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
I wanted to fill the spaces with braids, but then I crocheted the braids, but then it didn't blend well with my frontal, so I had to cut them. Guys, as you can see, it really doesn't blend well with, like, someone can just tell that these are different hair. So I went ahead and bought this weave at $6. I've actually introduced this weave to you before. It's the same weave that I used on my previous video on how to make a closure wig. On the left side, I saw the weave, and as you can see, it blends so well with my weave. Like, no one can tell that these are different hair. So I'm going to cut the braids and just sew the weaves instead. Another trick is to sew the tracks on top of the frontal, like on the threads on the frontal, so that no one can see the tracks or no one can see the cap when you hold it in a ponytail.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. Summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. Summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
I cut the cap in front and at the back to make it look more natural, and then I stitched the combs on the side, like around the ears and at the back, and then I also stitched the band to make it more secure.
to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the
So I didn't want to finish this tutorial without trying this wig on because I have big braids. Because I wasn't sure if it was going to lie flat, but it lied flat. Like, I just love it. Guys, just look at this. Like, it's a 360 less front wig. I was so impressed. Like, this is amazing, guys. So if you can't afford the 360 less front wig, you can just make your own.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.